Hello everyone, Namaskar. My name is Mrunal and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another day in my life where I take you guys along with me. So today we are headed to DFO. So it's a place here in Australia where it's actually very similar concept of having factory outlets in India, where we have all these brands under one roof and we really get their stuff in like very cheaper and very minimal cost, I would say. So we're heading there today. It's actually a little far from the city, so we had to take a train to a certain point here, which is Tumbal, and from here we have to change a bus to reach there. So it takes approximately 1 hour, but it's absolutely worth if you're going there for like shopping a lot. So we are going to go there and have some lunch there and then shop as well. So let's go.
So we are boarding the train from Central Station and we need to head to Tumbal. So this is a Central Station right now here, and we need to take a train from platform number 6. We will be catching the Shorncliffe train and we will be deboarding the train at Tumbal. So our train has arrived and that's the train that we will be catching today. Now here in Australia, the trains have doors, and if you need to get in or get out, you need to press the green button on the outside, and there's a button on the inside as well, which I will show you later. But when you press the button, the doors will open and that's when you can get inside. Let me show you. So the train was not crowded today because it was the weekend and we had left a little early, because the overall journey for us, it takes approximately an hour. So we thought we should leave early and avoid the rush, and so we could film at DFO as well without any disturbance. So we left quite early. Time to disembark the train. We have reached Tumbal. So here in Australia, we have a concept of Go card. Now, whenever we use any kind of public transport, such as a bus, train, or even a ferry, we need to swipe the card, and the money directly gets deducted from your card. So it's very easy and convenient, and you don't really have to buy a physical ticket if you have the card. And now we've reached Tumbal and we need to catch a bus from here to reach DFO.
Also, while we are waiting for the bus, because it's going to take 10 minutes for the bus to arrive, let me show you how pretty the sky is looking. It was all sunny in the morning, but it started raining a while back and now it's all pleasant and beautiful. Let me show you around.
So DFO is kind of a everything under one roof shopping experience, I would say. So you name a category and there's going to be a store available for you at DFO. So be it women's apparel, men's apparel, sports equipment, or jewelry, or homeware, electronics, fitness, everything. They also have a lot of dining options and a lot of cafes available as well, and they always have good discounts running here. Now, we did not buy anything in particular on that day, but we did end up buying a chopping board from the home equipment section, and it costed us approximately $26 if I remember correctly. Yeah. So we had to buy some grocery for the home, and we decided that we'll go to the Indian grocery store and pick up some groceries. Not a lot, I just wanted to grab a few things, but let me show you that as well. So we've reached the grocery store, and let me show you around the prices of some of the grocery items that we use on everyday basis. So here I was looking for chickpea flour, which is besan, and I found 1 kg of besan for $3.99. I did not wanted to purchase besan that day, but since you were in the store, I thought I should show you all what the prices are as to compared to what we get in India. So here I was showing you all what is the price of the ragi flour that we get ready-made. So 1 kg of ragi flour from the brand Indofresh costed us $3.99 again. So the prices are of course comparatively higher than what we get in India, but we do get good quality products here. So that's semolina, which is rava, and that's 1 kg of rava for $4.50. And then I was also looking at some rice flour, and this was I think 2 kgs, and it costed us $3.50. Then we moved on to buying some poha, which is flattened rice. So I bought 500 grams of poha for $2.50. So here we get all kinds of dry spices. So be it your cumin seeds, mustard seeds, sesame seeds. So everyday masalas that we use, everything is available here. We just have to make sure that they are not expired. Sometimes there's a possibility they could be expired if they are imported from India. So we just have to look out for the expiry date. We do have a lot of papad options as well from different brands. This is legit papad, and other than that there are different brands available as well on the top. We have lot of tea options available as well in the store. that is fenugreek seeds, which I was looking at, which is methi seeds, and the 250 grams of the fenugreek seeds costed us $2.99. That's the spice area, so we get all kinds of red chili powder, turmeric powder from different brands in this section. We also have a few more papad options here as well. Then we have kasuri methi, then we have dry onions, red chili, all of that. Here we do get lays and all, but it is of course priced a bit much higher than what we get in India for a small packet. That is all for today, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, like this video, comment down below, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you in my next video. Oh, and yeah, consider subscribing to my channel. Bye.